I love a really good handheld vacuum that I can use indoors or outdoors in my vehicle. And this one is so good. Not only is this a vacuum, it's also like an air duster. So it is super powerful. It has a really strong suction and it is going to get crumbs up that your little ones might spill everywhere. So there are 2 different power settings and you will just press that to go between the 2. You get a bag to store everything in so that you can put this in your glove compartment or in your center console. And it also comes with tons of attachments. So you have this piece, it's great to run over carpet. You have these pieces, like a little brush right here, you could clean your air vent. You have these to get down like in those crevices and hard to reach places. This also is rechargeable. So you have this piece right here to plug this in, charge it, and it has a really long battery life. You can see here, this is extremely powerful and has a strong suction. This is just flour on our countertop and it picks up every last drop. So if you have crumbs in your vehicle, crumbs in your couch cushion, or pet hair on something, this is going to get it all up. You also have that like air duster side and you can see how powerful that is as well. It's easy to clean, just unscrew, remove the filter and empty the debris out. But overall, this is such a great quality. This is a handheld vacuum that I would definitely recommend.